it's a different car now. It's got wheels and nice fucking engine bits. Get one of these. Hey! Big nuts and big boos. Let's put
these bad boys. I got clear indicators for LP2 Midnight Purple. Gonna look so hot.
Of course, clear indicators are a must. Let's go. It is better than an RB.
Alright.
This is God's engine. This is God's country.
Legends have it that God actually invented the SR20, so I believe it.
It's true.
I'm missing like 6 bolts. What?
Notices to own. I'm gonna get under it to make sure it's safe.
Stop being so violent.
Oh my god. Should probably put him on a better setting. I'm not gonna get very far.
Yeah, we're not gonna get far at all. Oh my fucking shit! But the way I see it is, these cars are fun to modify. Now they're fun to not modify them.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't want to, just because they're expensive, you don't let that hold you back. Crotch tap. Oh fuck it, into place. See you later. Literally fucking an SR20. Good dream.
The roles are reversed.
SR normally fuck you.
Gonna get the 4 bolts for the cross number 8.
SR20 back in, pink on purple. Definitely needs a good clean. Cheers to that.
Alright, let's have a look at the rats.
if you wanted to get like heaps and heaps of what do you call it, exposure, all you'd have to do is post a video of you cutting up perfectly fresh guards and have the whole world go
So the car is finally back home. Only got time after work to do various things like put the headlights back in, put the intercooler piping on, roll the guards. Yeah, that's right, I rolled the guards. Fit side skirts, fit front bumper I need to do. Interior, bright in, clean up interior. S13 shift knob, put it all back together. And finally progress on this thing. So it's great that it's back now. I can really get stuck into it. And hopefully a few more small things and then get it running. And we can paint it! My car was stored at my parents' house, which is about an hour and a half each way up, so I wasn't really getting too much time to actually touch it. But now it's back home, so I can finally dig in. It just needs a few more things and then I'll be off to fab for a new downpipe and a charge pipe. And then after that it just needs an ECU. Once I get it running, then I can start painting, but it's getting quite close, so pretty exciting. Shout out to James and Ethan for helping me, and James for most of the footage, because I haven't posted a video in a while, and I did a video on when we painted his 180 the other day, and I spent hours and hours on it, and it turned out to be a pretty good video. It deleted everything. I was rendering it, uploading it, and then I go to check and it was deleted, so I lost motivation for a bit, but now I'm back editing. So yes, the 13's coming along, and then I will be doing a video on the 15, because the 15 has been going very well in the background as well, so I shall do a video of that soon. But thanks for watching.